Today, we're replacing a bathtub spout with a faulty diverter. As you can see, when the diverter is engaged for the shower, water is still coming out of the spout, wasting both water and money. Let's fix it by installing a new spout. Tools and materials needed: utility nifig, brass brush or plastic brush, adjustable wrench or pliers, rag or cloth, replacement bathtub spout, plumber's putty, silicone caulk, faucet gasket, Teflon tape. Step 1. Check for a set screw. First, look underneath your spout to see if there's a screw securing it to the copper pipe. In my case, there isn't one, but if you see a screw, remove it before moving on. Step 2. Remove old caulking. Next, cut away the caulking around the spout using a utility knife. Make sure the area is clean so the new spout can sit flush against the wall. Step 3. Remove the old spout. Double check once more for screws. If there are none, turn the spout counterclockwise to unthread it from the copper pipe. Mine is a threaded spout, but if yours is a push-on type, you'll see a small hole on the bottom with a screw holding it in place. Step 4. Prepare the new spout. I picked up a universal replacement spout from the hardware store. It's 5 inches long, just like the old one. Since it's a universal kit, it includes parts for both threaded and slip-on connections. I only need the threaded setup, so I'll set aside the extra pieces. Step 5. Clean and seal the pipe. Clean the copper threads with a brass or plastic brush. In my case, the opening around the pipe was larger than I'd like, so I added plumber's putty and a gasket to seal the gap. I also applied a bit of silicone for extra protection. Step 6. Apply Teflon tape. Wrap the threads with Teflon tape, going clockwise 3 to 4 times. This helps prevent leaks and ensures a tight seal. Step 7. Install the new spout. Now, simply thread the new spout onto the pipe by hand. Tighten it snugly, no tools needed. I also added a thin bead of silicone where the spout meets the wall for a clean finish. Step 8. Test the installation. Turn the water on and engage the diverter. As you can see, the water now flows properly to the shower, with very little coming out of the spout. Problem solved. And that's it. A quick, affordable DIY fix you can do in under 4 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links. See you in the next project.